What's up? Just want to show you one of the jobs or an example of what I do during the springtime with my customers. This is a shrub that I trim and I maintain. I maintain all the shrubs here. So what I'm going to do is basically put some pine straw. All of these have been, and that one got damaged just a little bit with the cold spell, but it'll come back. And I trimmed this one as well, and you can tell I got all my pine straw right there. So yeah, real quick. Now, question for you guys. You see these clippings? Do you pick them up or do you leave them there and put pine straw on top of it? Let me know how you guys do it. And then I have the back over here too. Yeah. And that area, this area right here in the back, I maintain. And what I usually do is just spray it. And, hit it with the weed whacker, trimmer, whatever the case might be. Because, she wants that area just maintained. But yeah. Small little job for the spring. And I have 3 of them today, just like this. Nice, easy, quick. And on average, it takes me about 2.5 hours. And there's no rush. Yeah, there's no rush. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, I'll show you the end result. All right, so this task is all finished. Let me show you the end result. So, this is it. The big ligustrum with the pine straw. And I like to put the pine straw nice and thick. This, I'm gonna get rid of it and put some sod there. It used to be a tree. So then I went all the way around. Nice 5 to 6 inches of pine straw all the way around the property. And I like to put down pine straw really, really thick. I know some people like to quote pine straw and just kind of put it down thin. I don't do that. I like my straw to look good, So this is the back. That turned out real nice. Really, really, really nice. All right. Look at Mr. Lizard. What you doing, man? Yep. Nice and beautiful. So that's what I do with most of my properties. I trim, put down fresh pine straw, and then the season basically begin the mowing. What you think?
Like it.
Yeah. It's turned out real nice.
Very good. Really good.
All right. I didn't want to fail my customer, But yeah, look. 2 Gatorades. Anytime I come over here, that's what she does. She always leave me 2 Gatorades. Sometimes she'll, when it's real hot, she'll put them in the cooler. And yeah, I just go over there once I'm finished or in between, whatever. Open it up, there's some ice, grab my 2 Gatorades, and keep on doing it. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I do in the spring. Yeah. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave your questions and comments. Oh, the price of pine straw. It is a bale. So a bale, it is a roll. So the roll here, I want to say is 9 something for the roll. But I charge $25 per roll to put it down. That's me. Okay, and this property took 12 rolls, exactly 12 rolls. So now I go pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 7 rolls, and I'll go to my next property. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.